I'm Bobby. I'm an apprentice electrician. Started as a labourer on the floor, and yeah, worked my way up. Now I start becoming an apprentice electrician.
My name is Yonghui Jiang. I come from China, but people in the workplace people call me Wing. I was an IT support officer on the plant. 3 years ago, plant also gave me a chance. I joined to the electrical team as an electrical apprentice.
Yeah, so as an apprentice electrician, yeah, it's a 4-year program, so you have to go to schooling, go to TAFE, like a college, study, then yeah, so at the end of it you become a qualified electrician. Yeah, just preventative maintenance work, making sure everything's running fine.
Auto label systems, X-ray detector or mid-CL reading machine.
Yeah, everyone here is good. I enjoy coming here to work, so yeah, it's good.
We are a huge company, always got a job release. If you're interested, you can apply.